Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video, and today we're going to see an amazing prawn recipe, and it's creamy lemon garlic prawns which is best to enjoy along with herb rice, spaghetti or pasta. So friends, let's get started with this quick, easy and delicious prawn recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken 10 medium-sized prawns which has been cleaned, deveined with tails intact. And now we will season them with some salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of garlic powder, and the juice of half a lime. We'll now mix all the ingredients well over the prawns and we'll let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now to start with the cooking process, we will heat a teaspoon of olive oil in a pan and a small cube of butter. We'll spread the oil and butter on all the sides of the pan, and when the pan is hot enough, we will add the marinated prawns, and on medium flame we will saute them until they turn golden brown from both the sides. After a minute, we will flip the prawns one by one and we'll saute the other side for another 1 minute until they are done from both the sides. And by now the prawns are fried golden brown from both the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same pan I will add another small cube of butter. And as the butter starts to melt, we will add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I have used here 5 large garlic pods as we want the flavor of garlic to be predominant in this recipe. On medium flame, we will stir fry the garlic until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Along with this, we will add a teaspoon of chili flakes. We stir this for another few seconds. And now into this we will add half a cup of chicken broth or chicken stock. We stir this once and allow the chicken stock to simmer for a minute or so. And as the stock starts to boil, we will add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We will stir and mix it well and will allow it to simmer for a minute or so. And now we will reduce the flame to low and we'll add 200 ml of heavy cream. And on low flame, we need to stir the cream continuously until it's well combined. And now we'll quickly season the creamy lemon garlic sauce with a pinch of salt or as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of Italian mixed herbs. We'll mix the seasonings well so that they are well combined with the sauce. And our delicious creamy lemon garlic sauce is almost ready. And now time to add the fried prawns into the sauce. We'll now quickly stir the prawns and allow them to simmer in the sauce for 1 to 2 minutes so that they can absorb all the flavors of the sauce. And in the meantime, the sauce will also thicken to the desired consistency. And by now the sauce has thickened, and once the sauce cools down, it will turn slightly more thick. And just before turning off the flame, we will add some finely chopped fresh parsley and some chili flakes to complete the dish. And our creamy lemon garlic prawns is now ready to be served hot. So friends, do try this amazing creamy lemon garlic prawns recipe, which is best to enjoy along with herb rice, spaghetti or pasta. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.